Fold the film in half and cut a sharp corner. Put the film through each slit of the bag former. You can do this slowly to make the film flat. At the cutting knife, the two sides of the film are parallel to each other. You can adjust the film by fingers. After that, open the debugging page in the operating system and click Seal. Place the sealed edge of the film to the two pullers, the gap of the red and white circle. Stick the film in the gap with hands. Then lift the handle up. Hold the two wheels in both hands and turn them in opposite directions to prevent misalignment. After that, you can click Seal again. Make more bags to sure everything is okay.